safe. Bag under the seats, baby. Tray tables on the seat. Oh, yeah. Put your bag under the seat, please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. If we can have your attention for just a moment, I'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-700 series. To properly fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat edge of the buckle to release. Lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips, and wear anytime you are seated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors. 2 overwing window exits, 2 exit doors in the back, signs overhead, and lights on the floor will lead you to those exits. Oh look, there's a safety information card that can be found in the seat back or literature pocket in front of you. In the event of a ward evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest when we told you to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head. Have the black strap around your waist. Buckle the front and pull to tighten. Once outside, put on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow it to the tube at your shoulders. Flight attendants to come by to check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs, tray tables in the full upright and locked position. And all those carry-ons are completely underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving that area under you completely clear. Smoking is never allowed while on board, including lavatories. The federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulation requires passenger compliance with the life passenger information sign, posted placards, and crew member instructions regarding information on seatbelts and smoking. Also, the use of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited. We have 2 lavatories aboard this aircraft. There is one up front, one in the back. Due to security restrictions, please do not stand, form a line, or congregate in the forward area on the aircraft at any time during the flight. If someone is occupying that forward lavatory, please kindly wait at your seat. You'll see a red X at row 1. We're going to ask that you please wait at your seat. When that person comes out, then you may proceed to the front, or wait for the one in the back of the aircraft. We do appreciate your cooperation on that. Although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure, should one occur. 4 yellow masks are dropped in the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, hold on the mask so the plastic tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask, otherwise identified by a uniformed crew member. If you're traveling with children or someone needing special assistance, please put on your mask first. That's it for the do's and don'ts. We do appreciate your attention. 1 hour and 4 minutes, that's gate to gate on our way down to Long Beach. Welcome aboard. Double check those seatbelts. We've been clear for departure. Enjoy your flight.